Welcome to Bancroft. Will the 95-inch machine fit across? Well, we'll see if Razor Brian gets across. He's good. So far, so good.
Good?
Oh yeah. Yeah, about 6 inches, give or take or give. Just be fishing right now. Catfishing, Scott. Catfishing. Yeah, that's a tight one. I'd love to jump in that river right now. It is hot. I guess this is a snowmobile bridge, eh? Someone tried to graffiti it. Not very good at it.
Are we gonna jump this one later?
We're jumping this tomorrow, not today. You gotta make it through tomorrow.
Okay.
And we're going right. Longest we've gone without seeing any water, but Blake, turn your mud finder on here, or just dust. We can't see. Wet break. Just hanging out up here. Hopefully we don't. Let's find some water or some mud. Or just more roads. Oh, look, water. Can we go down there? Then turn left. What's this? Boom. We found the spot. Hey? Sometimes you just gotta announce it on the film. Look at the crew. Straight in. It's all rock here anyway. Look how much dust is just on everything. Come right through here. Oh yeah, Brian Razor.
Much better. Now you're happy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at the smile on his face.
Oh, he's so happy now. Oh, finally. Should wear my bathing suit. Whoa! Easy. Let her dance.
This sounds good.
Sounds mean, eh?
BRB.
Ah, the old four-seater, the school bus. Tires are doing good. Typical Polaris. Zach doing the depth test over here. Rock Crocs. Yeah, Super ATV has crushed it for us. And Boss Audio, amazing. Takes us out for a rip. This coolest machine now. I wish I brought my bathing suit. I might. And Blake's gone. Everyone just wants mud and water. No more dust. Just doing the slow crawl, checking her out. Being cautious. Not a bad spot to stop though.
My favorite thing is like how fast they dry out.
Oh, it's so nice.
Love to do it.
Woo! Oh, he's going all the way. Where is he going? Someone's gonna have a wet helmet. Might be in trouble. Never know what these two are up to. Oh, they want to do a photo shoot. Quick photo shoot. Yes! He needs more of a run at it. By the way, we're not in trouble. She just wanted to get a picture of the boys. He's not doing it. Lining up. Alright, he's committed to the situation. Oh yeah! Oh, close. A little more momentum. I think he'd be laughing. Splash. Oh. Big log. Oh, next up. Yeah. And he's back.
I told you we could have gone down there. That's obviously the first time anyone has done that.
That's how you discover things. Ryan Razor. Get him on the Instagram. First to do the hill. sloppy is it?
Looks a little mucky.
I don't know if that thing's gonna make
I
it.
don't think so.
You wanna hit all the grass.
Heroes never die.
Stevie just completely dusts us on the way by. If that's even him. Oh, that's Razor J. We need a full brake lockup. Oh, we lost a window, it looks like. Oh, hey!
Fuck, that thing is
What?
Dig it!
hot.
Go look at the turbo.
What do you mean?
Whoa!
Holy shit.
Yeah, this one's not turbocharged.
Oh, that's his lights. I thought his sauce was red, but I'm tripping. Where's Brian? Oh yeah, he's going slow.
Look at that helmet. Oh yeah, no problem. Oh! Quick kiss. No, you good, Zach? These damn Polarises, eh? Dusted. Oh. Little Sandy. Hey, it's a free skin peel. I wasn't in there. Getting out of control now. Oh my God! We got dusted. All right, let's go find the mud. Whoa! Slow down. Mosquito City. Guess it's a little deeper over here. Ooh. Gotta beat the sides, I guess. Anchor's coming. So close. There's some mean ruts here though. Nope. Oh yeah, that smells beautiful in there. Got the whole audience going here. This guy, eh? You're so close. These guys, so useful up there. I think it's winch time.
Good attempt though, good attempt.
Oh, winch 30. Hey. Hello, team. We're getting there. Put her on high-speed Polaris mode.
Slowly but surely.
Keep going. Is he stuck now too?
Okay.
Now Brian's in there. Look at the swamp mess. That would have been a good slow-mo. Hey, that would have been a good slow-mo. Can we request it one more time? Lots of help up here, eh? Oh. Just waiting for a bunch of $1 bills to come flying off the hill.
Water.
Hey, it's like Arkansas all over again. But Justin Moore isn't here. Oh, can't find